What is up, guys? Welcome on back to TK's Garage. Coffee's a lifesaver. In today's video, we're getting into another auction video at the Oklahoma Auto Exchange. Major shout out to Lucky's Wheels and Deals, JJ's Cars and Advice, and of course Bad Bunny, because without Bad Bunny the video would not have been possible. So major shout out to her. I'll try to drop links to all of the channels in the description down below. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into it.
Dodge Durango, 7,800 right now. Sold. Now we got a 2012 Ford Expedition Sport. Alright, guys. GMC Sierra. It's at 1,200 right now. Oh, it's running like crap too. It's a red light. That is a dogged out Toyota Corolla.
Fill on call for 7,200. Come back to number 217. And thank you for sticking with what you were. 217, 7,200. 309. We appreciate you. Yeah, tell them now 221.
09 Corolla. 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 1,800. I guess that's not bad. All right, now we got this little piece of crap Chevy Aveo. Yeah, 800 on that. Now I want to see, it's a red light too. 800 bucks. I want to see what this Charger goes for. This Charger is the one we looked at the other day.
All right, guys, take a look at here. 18 model Dodge Charger. Whoa, jumping in at 23 grand. Got a 23 pound dollar. Got a 21 grand. 21 pound dollar. Got a 21 pound. Got a 21 pound. 20 grand. 20 pound one. 20 grand. 20 pound dollar one. Got a 20 pound dollar one. 20 pound dollar one.
And that's a V6. 19 grand. Ain't nobody bidding on that. They keep dropping the price. Now they're down to 18. 18.5. Yeah. Wow. 18.9 on that Charger. Wow.
We got the best story, man.
Yeah, this Nissan Sentra, I'm interested in whatever this goes for. They gotta push this one. It's a red light, it don't run, and they're bidding this one up. Look at this, it's at $1,200. I can't believe this. 14, 15.
318. Here's your 225. All three grand
1,500. Wow. 'Cause this Jeep Patriot is at 1,800. 2 grand. 2,100. 2,300. 2,300. Chevy Cruze with hail damage. 25, 26, 28, 3 grand on that 13 Chevy Cruze with over 200,000 miles on it. Wow. Wow. That Expedition has 194,000 miles on it. It's at 1,800, 1,900.
225, 245. Pretty close, number 229. Tell him 5, 6.
Lucky over, he saw that Impala, he had to jump right on it. Now Pontiac you just saw go out is at 2,400 right now. They loaded 23, 2350. He's at 24 and a half. The car outside, 24 and a half. What's that? You thought I was on that one? Oh, he did? 23. I got 2,200. 2,200, 2,300, 22, 23, 24, 24. What is that? 24, 24, 23, 24, 23, 24, and I have some 2,300. And that Solstice sold for 2,300. We got a Range Rover coming up. See JJ's Cars and Advice over here at the auction. What do y'all y'all think this Range Rover is going to go for? We're probably going to premiere this, so let me know in the chat right now. 2013 Land Rover Range Rover Evoque.
12 grand, 10 grand, 10 1, 10 grand, 10 grand, 10 grand, 10 grand, 10 grand, 10 grand, 10 1, 10 grand, 10 1, 8 grand, 81, 8 grand, 81, 81, 82,
yeah, like 8 grand, 8100, 82, 87, 86. That going backwards. 8600 it looks like. $8,600. Sold. Nissan Altima.
41, 3 grand, here we go, 31, 31, 3 grand, 31, that's the 94, the 4 on the way, 2 grand, put down, 21, 21, 22, 22,
2100.
24, you're out, 25,
2200.
26,
it's at 2500. 26. 2500 sold. Now this Dodge Ram is very interesting to me.
With the truck. That's going on here. Go. 6 grand. 16 more.
2011 Ram 1500 Crew Cab. Again. It's at 11,700, 11,009, 11,009, 11,900 sold. Some of y'all think y'all would get a great deal out here at the dealer's auction. Nope. Nope. All right, guys, you guys see the monster here. There is the auction. We are just closing out. If you guys are enjoying these auction videos, let me know by smashing the big thumbs up button. I would greatly appreciate it. It was fun, definitely different. Major shout out to Bad Bonnie for, you know, getting me in and letting me check out the auction. Shout out to my dude Lucky's Wheels and Deals and JJ's Cars and Advice as well. But yeah, that's gonna be it, man. Let me know what you guys think. I mean, it's a little different than the normal content that we do over here. Most of the stuff we look at is smashed. But yeah, let me know what you guys thought about some of the cars and some of the content that you saw today through the auction, and if that interests you. And let me know if you guys thought the prices were too high in the comment section down below. So, what did you guys think about the video? Let me know in the comment section down below. By the time you guys see this video, I'm going to be back on the road again. Where am I going next? You guys can guess in the comments. But let's go ahead and do this again. We're going to go ahead and drop an Amazon gift card in the chat, I think, right now. Good luck claiming it. Whoever claims it, claims it. And then we're going to drop another one in the comment section for you guys that comment probably sometime tomorrow, because by the time you guys see this, it's going to be probably pretty late at night. It's about 5:30 p.m. Central Time here. I'm going to try to get the video up by 8 or 9 o'clock. We'll see. But I will be on the road tomorrow, and or maybe by the time you see this video, depending on how it gets uploaded, I might already be on the road. But let me know what you guys think in the comment section down below. Good luck. Hopefully one of y'all were fast and claim that Amazon card in the chat. And we'll drop one more in the comment section.
Also, guys, remember to go click that link in the description for Robinhood. You get one of these every time you sign up. If you don't have an account, sign up. It's free, and you get a free stock. It's that simple.